Hello. In today's video, we shall learn in detail about human blood groups. By the end of this video, you'll get a clear understanding about components of blood, ABO blood groups, matching the blood groups, Rh factor, incompatibility of Rh factor during pregnancy, multiple alleles, and finally, blood transfusion. Let us start with blood, which is called the river of life that flows through the body. Blood is the main circulating fluid in human beings that transports oxygen and nutrients to the cells and carries away or removes carbon dioxide and other metabolic waste products. Study of blood is called hematology. Now, we shall study about the components of blood. Blood consists of 55% plasma and 45% blood corpuscles. Plasma is a non-living fluid consisting of 90% water, 7% plasma proteins like albumin, serum globulin, fibrinogen, prothrombin, 3% other substances like food material, dissolved gases, cholesterol, etc. Blood corpuscles are the cells which float freely in the plasma. The different types of blood cells are red blood corpuscles RBC or erythrocytes, white blood corpuscles WBC or leukocytes, and platelets or thrombocytes. RBCs carry oxygen around the body. WBCs play a crucial role in the immune system. Platelets help in clotting of blood. Next, we shall move on to ABO blood groups. The A, B, and O blood groups were discovered by Karl Landsteiner in 1900. There are four major categories within the ABO group: A, B, AB, and O. Karl Landsteiner found two antigens or agglutinogens on the surface of human red blood cells and named them as antigen A and antigen B. He also noticed that corresponding antibodies or agglutinins in the serum and named them A and B. By the way, if you are getting some value out of this lecture, please like and share the video so that all of us can learn, unlearn, and relearn together. Also, please consider subscribing the channel and press the bell icon to get instant notification of all the upcoming videos. Now, next, let us learn about the different types of blood groups. Blood groups have been classified into A, B, AB, and O based on the presence or absence of antigen A and antigen B. Blood group A has on the surface of RBC A antigen, a glycoprotein, and plasma has B antibodies. A person with blood group A can donate blood to a person with A or AB blood group and can receive blood from persons with A or O blood group. Blood group B. The surface of the RBC contains B antigen and the plasma has A antibody. A person with blood group B can donate blood to a person with B or AB blood group and can receive blood from persons with B or O blood group. Blood group AB. The RBCs have both A and B antigens, but the plasma neither has A antibody nor B antibody. A person with blood group AB can donate blood only to a person with AB blood group. Individuals with type AB blood group can receive blood from any ABO blood types. Coming to blood group O, the plasma contains both A and B antibodies, but the surface of the RBCs does not contain any A and B antigen. Since these antigens are not present, a person with any ABO blood type can receive this type of blood. Individuals with type O blood group can receive blood only from the same blood type. Next, let us get an idea of matching of blood groups with the help of the table shown. Matching of blood groups, that is compatibility, under the ABO system for donation is done as follows. The blood of A group can be given to a person with A and AB groups. The blood of B group can be given to a person with B and AB group. The blood of AB group can only be given to AB group, but a person with AB type of blood can receive blood from all types and is therefore called a universal recipient or universal acceptor. The blood of O group can be given to all the groups. Hence, a person with O blood group is called a universal donor. Let us learn a new term, that is Rh factor. Rh factor is an antigenic protein, antigen D, present on the surface of RBCs in human beings. It was first discovered by Landsteiner and Wiener in 1940 on the surface of RBCs of rhesus monkey, and hence the term Rh factor. Persons having Rh factor, that is D antigen, on the surface of their RBCs are Rh positive, and those lacking Rh factor on the surface of their RBCs are called Rh negative. Next, let us try to understand incompatibility of Rh factor during pregnancy. Rh antigen induces a strong immunogenic response when introduced into Rh negative individuals. When Rh negative mother bears Rh positive fetus, it results in hemolytic disease of the newborn, HDN, which is also called erythroblastosis foetalis. During first pregnancy, a small number of RBCs from the fetus can cross the placenta and enter the mother's bloodstream. Anti-RHD antibody can then develop in the mother's plasma. Since the amount of antibody is less, the Rh incompatibility rarely causes complications in first pregnancy. It could be dangerous to a fetus during later pregnancy. The antibodies may start to attack the fetus RBC as a defense mechanism. It results in agglutination of fetal blood cells. Death of baby occurs due to severe anemia and jaundice. Next is multiple alleles. When 3 or more alleles are responsible for a single character, they are known as multiple alleles. Good example of multiple allele is ABO blood groups in humans. The gene I controls the ABO blood groups. It has 3 alleles, IA, IB, and I. In a diploid cell, only 2 alleles can be present at a time on the homologous chromosomes. IA and IB are co-dominant and are completely dominant over I. There are 6 different genotypes and only 4 different phenotypes. The genotypes are IA or IAI, IB or IBI, IAIB, and finally II. The 4 phenotypes are A, B, AB, and O. Finally, we come to blood transfusion. The transfer of blood or blood components from one person, that is the donor, into the bloodstream of another person, the recipient, is known as blood transfusion. Blood typing is particularly important for blood transfusion because certain antigens on blood cells can trigger a person's immune system to attack the donated blood. Study of interaction of antigen and antibody in blood is known as serology. Type AB blood can receive any type of blood. Type O blood is safe for transfusion. Type O negative blood is in high demand because it is most often used during emergencies. Most rarest blood group is AB negative and the most common blood group is O positive. So today we have learnt about ABO blood group system, Rh factor, and blood transfusion. I have some practice questions for you. Please share your answers in the comment section below. You can pause the video and write down the questions if you like. Thank you so much for your time and participation. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing the channel and press the bell icon to get instant notification of all the upcoming videos. Also, if you want to discuss any particular topic in biology, please mention that in the comments section below. I'll see you there. Goodbye. All the best.